No other religion stresses as much on seeking knowledge as Islam. But what does this mean? Why does it stress on it so much? And what does this mean for the average Muslim today? This short video will take a look at exactly that, and you'll learn how the Muslim attitude towards knowledge made it the greatest civilization in the world and has shaped the world as we know it today. It is said in Islam, to seek knowledge is compulsory on every believer. Given this obligation to seek beneficial knowledge, this is how the early Muslim scientists, architects and engineers saw their own work. They sought and implemented knowledge as a means of worshipping Allah. They recognized that the more that they learned about the world, the better they would understand and impact their deen, and vice versa. It was this unquenchable thirst for knowledge that led to world exploration, advances in science, art and technology, and free, empowered communities. The Quran is the ultimate book of knowledge for us until the end of time, and is devoted to intellect, knowledge, learning, logic, and to think. The first verses of the Quran to be revealed began with the word Iqra, read. The Quran mentions the word knowledge in various forms 854 times, and that many times human beings are asked to think, consider, and to reason. Allah has said in the Quran that He has sent down the book so that it may explain to us all things, that is, all things throughout history until the end of time.